Have you ever wondered how secure your network truly is? Network security is a critical aspect of any IT environment, and one of the most effective ways to ensure this security is by using a tool like Nessus Scan. In this tutorial, we're going to delve deep into the world of Nessus Scan, a powerful tool for testing network traffic. The importance of Nessus Scan in network security cannot be overstated. It's a comprehensive vulnerability scanner that is essential to IT operations, helping to identify vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and malware that attackers could exploit. It provides a clear picture of your network security health and gives you the information you need to take action. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but how do I use it? Don't worry, we're going to break it down into clear, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, you need to install Nessus. Go to the Tenable website, download the appropriate version for your operating system, and follow the prompts to install it. Once you've installed Nessus, open it up and you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. Next, you'll need to set up a new scan. Click on the New Scan button on the top right side of the dashboard. You'll then need to choose the type of scan you want to run. There are several options available, but for beginners, the basic network scan is a good place to start. Once you've chosen your scan, you need to configure it. Enter the name and description for your scan, then select the targets. The targets can be a single IP, a range of IPs, or a whole subnet, depending on what you want to scan. Now, you're ready to initiate the scan. Click on the Launch button, and Nessus will start scanning your targets. Depending on the size and complexity of your network, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Once the scan is complete, you'll need to interpret the results. Nessus provides a detailed report of its findings, including the severity of each vulnerability it found. Use this information to prioritize your security efforts and address the most critical vulnerabilities first. Finally, based on the scan results, you'll need to implement the necessary security measures. This could be anything from patching software, adjusting firewall settings, or even reconfiguring network devices. So, to recap, install Nessus, set up a new scan, choose your targets, launch the scan, interpret the results, and then implement the necessary security measures. It might seem complex at first, but with practice, you'll find Nessus Scan to be an invaluable tool in your IT security arsenal. Remember, network security is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. Regularly scanning your network with Nessus can help you stay ahead of threats and ensure your network remains secure. Now, go forth and scan.